Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see about a small program in Java which is an applet program, how to draw a smiley in Java using the Java applet. Let us see the two steps by which the applet programs can be executed. There are two different ways how we can run an applet program. One using the HTML file and the web browser, and second is using the command prompt itself using the applet viewer tool. Okay, so now we have seen in the previous video how to execute the program both in the HTML file and also by the applet viewer tool. Okay, so now in order to execute the applet program by the HTML file, first we have to create an applet file and then we have to compile it. After compilation, we have to create an HTML file and we have to place that applet code in the HTML file. Then if you click on this HTML file, we will get the display of the applet program. And now to execute the applet by applet viewer tool, we have to use the following commands in the command prompt. What are the commands? Javac filename.java. Here we are creating a file called smiley. We are going to draw a smiley in this applet program and we have to compile it using javac smiley.java. And how to run the program? Applet viewer smiley.java. Okay, so now let us see the simple code on how to draw a smiley using the Java applet. So as usual, we have to include import java.applet because we are using the applet tool inside the program, and we are also using the AWT as an abstract window toolkit. We are using that because Java applet resembles the Windows screen. We have to include all the components of the Windows screen such as minimizing, maximizing, closing and all those things. So for that, Java has the class called java.awt. Okay, so now the program starts with a class name public class smiley. So this is the name of the file. So whatever the first class name which we are going to use the main program, but that is the name of the file we have to store the program. So here we have to store the program as smiley.java, and this extends the applet file because we are using the applet programs to draw some pictures using the applet class. And now public void paint graphics G. So paint is one of the method that we have seen in the previous videos. Paint is one of the method in applet lifecycle. This really does the process of drawing something on the screen. So it is using a class called graphics in order to do the graphics, and we have to create an object called G on. You can create any object, the user defined variable, and that is from the class graphics. So now let us see how to apply that methods on the particular graphics object. Now we are going to draw the face, a smiley face. So first we have to draw the oval for a smiley, which is the outline of the face. So we have a method called draw oval. Okay, so this draw oval will have four parameters having the values as x-axis, y-axis and the width and the height. Now, if this width and the height are same, we can get a circle. If either this value differs, the oval may be in the horizontal side or the vertical side. Okay, so this is the way to draw a oval or a circle by changing the parameters here. This is the x and y are the starting value on which the screen we are going to start the point. So x comma y value, and this is the x-axis and the y-axis width. Okay, since the face is drawn round, we are having the same value 150 comma 150. Now let us see the next line to have to draw the eyes. In order to draw the eyes, we are going to draw the filled polygon. For that we are using a g.setColor. setColor is another function or the method we can apply on the graphics object. And what is the function it does is it set the color for the particular object what we are going to draw next. Okay, so now color.black. So this particular setColor function will set a color. We can give any color as we wish. Now the color here is black. We can give white or red or yellow, whatever the color you want. So we have to give the values here. So the variable here color dot black, and now we have to draw the ovals, that is the eyes. So in order to draw the eyes, the same thing here. You can see the difference here. This is draw oval, which will draw a transparent oval, and fill oval will draw a filled oval. Let us see the output in order to find out what is normal oval and what is the fill oval. Again the same thing, the parameters 120, 120, this is the position of the first eye, the left eye, and 170, 120, this is the position of the right eye. So actually, in order to draw any diagram using the Applet program, first it is a good practice to have a screen, that is a graph sheet. You can draw a graph sheet, whatever the picture you want to draw, then we can mark all the points, then we can collect the points, x point, y point, what is the width, everything can be then included in the program. So now since the eye should come in the same level, here we can see that horizontally it should be in the same level. So now this 120 and the 170 are the position of the left eye and the right eye. By shifting the to left eye 120 and right eye starts from 170. Okay, and then this 120 120 is the same level in the y-axis, where we can have the same level for the both the eyes. And then 15, 15, as I told here, 150, 150. So 150 we will draw a big circle, and this will draw a small circle. So 15 is the value, that is the width. Okay, so since it is an both the values are same, it will draw a circle or round shape. But if it is, but the function is actually oval only. But if you want to draw a oval shape, really we have to change the parameters. Okay, if both are same, it will draw the circle. If both are different, it will draw the oval, whether it is a vertical oval in the left in the x-axis or a horizontal oval in the y-axis. So now we have drawn the outline of the face and the two eyes, and also we have filled with the color black. So that's all. And now we have to draw the mouth part, where you have to draw a smiley. So for that we have a function called draw arc. It will draw a arc. What is an arc? A part of the circle. So we have to give the position and the location of the particular arc. So we have to say that what is the position we have to start with. Okay, 130 and 180, and then we have to end to 180, 180. Okay, and then this is the x and the y values that will just define the curve on how the arc should bend. Okay, so that's all. We have drawn an arc also. So the face outline is drawn, the two eyes are drawn, and the mouth is drawn. So that's all. We have to close the braces. Now we have to, the braces, both the braces are closed here. Now we have to include the applet code. What is the applet code? Applet code is equal to smiley.class, because the program name here is, class name here is smiley. So we have to use the applet code is equal to smiley.class. Then we have to give the width of the and the height of the applet screen. And we have to close the applet tag as usual, and we have to close this command tag, and that's all. We have to see the output of the program. So once we execute this program in the command prompt, we are using the applet viewer smiley.java. If we type this command, we can get this image on the screen. Now we can see this is the outer circle, that is the fill oval, and this is the normal oval, and this is the inner circle, small circle, which is having the fill oval. And then after some space down, we are drawing the mouth arc. For that we have using the function draw arc. Then if you want to add more and more features, a nose can be drawn and ears can be drawn. So whatever you want to draw, better it's a practice to draw on a graphic sheet. Get the values of the x-axis, y-axis, what is the x strength, what is the y value, what is the starting position, what is the ending position, all has to be calculated, and these values should be given exactly in order to draw the neat picture. And this is how the applet view window looks like. It will always give the messages applet viewer, then this is the class name smiley.class, and then the applet, it will give the always the name as an applet, and then applet started, because you know that the applet lifecycle has init, start, paint, stop and destroy. So here when you are giving this init and start, all these actions will be ready so that it will draw the real picture or any string using the command, any other graphical command we are having. So in that case we are using the paint function in order to draw this value on the screen. After that you have to stop and it has to be closed and destroy. That means the memory occupied by these variables of this program will be released for the next other programs. So that's all the simple concept of how to draw a smiley program, a smiley face using the Java applet, and how to execute the program using the command prompt. And thanks for watching.